Welcome to Intrex. Today I would like to invite you to a presentation of our new generation of Tamper evident labeling system. Our machine can be integrated into your production line or work as an independent labeling station. It allows you to label your products with speed up to 200 products per minute. Our labeling machine can work with two types of pharma boxes. Depends if your product has flaps on the same side or across the packaging. We are able to label it, bend it and verify it with the same machine. We designed our machine to be flexible for a wide range of product sizes, from very small boxes to much bigger ones. We are very proud that our mechanical design allows you to change over the machine within minutes with all the laser mark scales and hand wheels, which allow you to be precise during changeover time and be fast, because time isn't money. For pharma industry customers, Intrex is able to provide full set of validation documentation based on your URS or best market practices.